Okay, we'll do a quick overview of this Nextech 4x8 CNC router. Comes with a second monitor you see up there. That'll do a live preview of the file that you're running. Again, here's the main screen, and you've got all your main functions, all icon driven, very easy to use. A tool screen, you can adjust the tools, measure the tools, and then we've got our main programming screen here. A small preview down here, but again, if you've got the second monitor, which this one has included, you can get a nice live preview screen of the file as you run. As far as an overview of the machine, really basic, straightforward, great first machine for someone. 4 zones on the vacuum table, 6 pop-up pins. We've got the Becker Vacuum Pump there, you can see in the back, that's included. 8-position rotary tool changer with HSK tool holders included. And as far as the spindle goes, that's a 12 horsepower HSD spindle and a 9-position HSD drill head. So this thing is fully equipped, fully loaded, and ready to go. Now I'm going to run this machine around the table at a decent rate of speed for you. I'll try not to speak the whole time. I do want you to try to listen to how quiet this high-speed helical rack works. You almost can't hear it. Super smooth running. I haven't even greased this machine. It does have auto lubrication for the main bearings, but as far as cleaning and greasing the racks and pinions, I have not done that since I've received it. I am very familiar with this machine. This machine actually started its life as a showroom machine in our shop. We use it as demonstration purposes, and so it probably had an hour of runtime per week for the first year that we had it. And then this machine actually just came out of a 2-car garage, a one-man show, kind of a side business, and he recently had to sell his home, had no place to put the machine, so we've taken it back, and we're now finding it a new home. So very low hours, very clean, very good condition. Nothing wrong with this machine. This thing is fully loaded and ready to go. Here's a quick shot of the schematic, still sticking to the back of the control doors with a magnet. Very clean interior, very well laid out. Full Windows PC in the bottom there. So a full standard PC. And there you have it, the quick overview of the Nextech 4x8 CNC router. Here's a closer look at that HSD spindle, 12 horsepower, HSK tooling included, 9-position drill head included, all servo drives, all servo motors, X, Y, and Z. Please let us know if you have any questions or comments. You can always text, email, or give us a call. Thanks for watching.